Bringing new products from idea to reality is a necessity for any business wanting to grow. When you have new ideas flowing, teams busy designing, and new products launching, you know you're going places. However, sometimes new product ideas don't always come to mind, and it's difficult to dream or think creatively. Or you have a great idea, but don't know how to design or develop the product. And maybe you have a fantastic design team, but don't know where to start manufacturing. Welcome to Codra. At Codra, our goal is to help you develop ideas into successful products. Dream it. At Codra, we are experts in product development, working with unique materials and formats, and partnering with design teams to get ideas flowing. Design it. Design and production is simple and easy with Codra. Our creative designers and product experts can help you shape and develop your product. Do it. Codra's proven manufacturing network can deliver your dream product to the market, helping your business stand out and keep your customers excited. Codra can spark your creativity, provide clear direction to your design teams, and oversee your manufacturing, leaving you free to focus on taking your business to the next level. Through any stage of the product development cycle, Codra can help you dream it, design it, and do it. Codra. We bring ideas to life.